ones do good under pressure. Whoa, whoa. Real ones don't have to be a flexer. Cause some shit come.
Hey YouTubers, it's me, Labra Glitz, and I'm coming at you today because it was highly requested from a couple of, I'm not sure if you're subscribed or not, but I mean, you left a comment up under a video that I did like 8 months ago. So I decided, hey, yeah, sure, I'm gonna go and do it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna also put the subscriber's name somewhere in here. So therefore, you know, I saw it, did comment it, and I'm letting you know, hey, I'm here, I'm getting it out to you. So like I said, it was like 8 months ago on this video, and here it is. This is the girl Miss, and it's so pretty, shimmery. But yeah, this is the Gold Mist. As you see, I have used it. I do still use it. Yeah, I mean, it was a good DIY. I mean, hey, I'm not knocking it whatsoever. But anyway, without further ado, you wanted to see what it looks like on my skin. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on my skin. So I'm going to take my left arm, which is this arm, and I'm actually going to spray a couple of dabs of it on there. And we're just going to let that dry. Yep, just going to let it dry. Maybe I guess I should have probably been around a fan, but you know, gonna let it dry.
A few moments later.
So I ended up going to my cousin to let her record at a different angle, so therefore you could kind of see it a little better, because with the lighting that I had, it just was not doing it for me. But as you can see, you can tell which hand has the mist spray on and which one doesn't, because the one that doesn't, of course, is all dry and everything. But overall, this is how it looks on my skin. It's very shiny and glossy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.